there isn't any kind of particular formula for question number 16. Okay, so question number 16 right now, I am just crossing it. No need to worry, this kind of questions will definitely not, I will, if I'm crossing it, it will not come. Okay, so just question number 16, no need to do.
1990.
What I told, I will go from the lowest page to highest page. That means in mathematical term, what does it known? Ascending order. Okay, so whatever doubts
Small
you are
to
having, small to large, whatever doubts you are having, keep it with you. Have some patience with you also. I will be going. Wait, I'm only one teacher and you are many students, right? So 11 question is what? How all natural numbers are whole numbers or not? Okay. So here I am just drawing one number line, Prajukta, for you. Okay. So here, suppose if I am just going to draw it, suppose this is your number line. Not so look so not good. Okay. Just delete. Let me delete it. This is your number line. Okay. Now here, suppose if I am just going to draw it more precisely like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like this going on. Now here, one thing we have just learned, what we have learned, from 1, exactly from 1, which I am just marking by green. Okay, here the natural numbers are starting.
Ma'am, green is not showing properly in black.
Not showing properly. So
No,
let
ma'am,
me
it is
take
showing
yellow.
properly, no problem.
Sure.
No, ma'am, it is not showing properly.
Okay. So if this meeting is going to be ended in 10 minutes, since today some technical error occurred, please join on that same link. Okay. So that at least one page problem I can solve. I will take the class up to 5, not much. Okay. Okay, so here I will just, I should say that here from 1, all the numbers are natural numbers. Okay, now it's good. If I'm considering 0, and whole number set is just starting from here to here, means in between this whatever 0 to just going on, here whole number is starting. Okay. Now the question is what? The question is like that, are all whole numbers natural numbers? No. 0 to 0 itself is a whole number, which is not a natural number. Okay. Next, are all natural numbers whole numbers? Yes, because whole numbers, if I'm going to consider about the whole number, the brackets is in like this manner. That means on the right side, whatever the picture you are seeing over here, all these things are whole numbers. Whatever is written over here, this entirely, all these things are actually I can say whole numbers. That means all the natural numbers are whole numbers. So question number 11 answer is yes, all natural numbers are whole numbers.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, if exam question will come, we have to do the rough one in another page. We have to show the how we get
No,
the
no, no,
answer.
no. This is MCQ exam. By seeing, if you can understand the answer, you don't have to explain it. But
Ma'am, all
in the
questions
written exam, okay,
you.
let me explain. If in the written exam, it will come. If it this type of question will come, suppose I'm giving you 3 marks to justify this statement. Okay, then you have to give the answer like the 3 marks. Okay, that time no or yes, and I am just my hand is spinning too much to just fill the entire sentence also. My mind will feel some pain to give you the number. Okay, I think I'm clear at my point. Okay, so
Okay,
11
ma'am.
question has
Ma'am, then in this exam we have to not explain.
no, this exam nothing you have to explain. So this thing is
Okay,
clear.
ma'am.
I think I'm just clearing the drawing. So going to
Yes,
the
ma'am.
next question. Next question is given what? How many thousands makes 1 crore? Okay, so this kind of questions only one solving procedures are there. You will write. Suppose I'm asking you, Prajakta, very simple question like that. How many? 2 rupees coin makes rupees 10. What you will do? In our childhood our parents used to give us this type of sums so that we know those subject a little bit better.
5.
That means
That
five. How
answer
five?
5.
How we have got? We have got by just we are dividing 10 by rupees 2. Okay, means 2 rupees. I have divided by rupees 2. Or if physically I am giving you, you will show me 2 rupees coin to me. Now here what it is here? Here first is 1 crore. 1 crore means after one how many zeros are there? 7 zeros. Okay, and 1000 means what? After one, how many zeros are there? 3 zeros only. So here the question statements I am not writing. So here you will write only this I am writing. Okay, number of thousands makes 1 crore equal to after 170 you will write. Here the zero looks very bad. Since I've taken choose white color on the book page, it will not show. Now this method is known as cutting method, I think so. Okay, so cutting
And
means
cross method.
okay, cross method, whatever. So zero we can cancel one by one. Okay, zero I'm just canceling one by one. So I'm left with this is 1000 by the way. Okay, one after one, two, three.
40.
Okay, 40. So the answer you will write like that. 10,000 will make 1 crore. Am I clear on my point?
Okay, ma'am.
You
Ma'am,
need to
10,000 makes 1 crore.
you need to memorize that 1 crore means after one how many zeros. 1 million means after one how many zeros. One Arab means after one how many zeros. Okay, like this the place value you need to memorize. Okay, more specifically if I'm going to the previous page. Okay, suppose sorry, I'm just going to the previous page. More specific, what is this? More specifically you all can see that here the international number systems place are there. This thing or normal the Indian number system you all have learned from your childhood, so it's very clear to you. So all these things you need to memorize. Okay, one classwork also I sent from homework I sent from NCERT book, and these things also we have covered in
Ma'am,
the
we
class
know the
also.
Indian system very well. International system we got in class 6 only.
Six, yeah, six only you got. It's okay, fine. You will be international system demarcation is very easy. Why it's very easy? Just
Ma'am,
let me
Indian
show you.
system and international system, I got uh, 5
Suppose I'm
and
just writing one number. Okay, okay, whatever you got where I'm just not interested. Suppose this is the number. Demarking it in international system, it's very easy. Why it's very easy? From right hand side just take three number and just put one comma. Take three
Yeah.
numbers, put one comma. Take three
Ma'am, I
numbers,
have
put one
learned
comma.
and memorized also that.
Yes, like this way you can just solve it very easily. Okay, And here this is same, quite same like Indian system. These are the places of hundreds, means here the 100, 10, 100, 1,000, 100 or something like that, it is just told. Okay, so I think this part is also clear. Now next sums, can you try 16 sum? If I'm just crossing the 16 rest of the sums, suppose which are there, 13, 14,
13, 14, 15.
15. Okay, Prajakta, you try today. Tomorrow's class is also there. Oh no, not
Okay,
tomorrow's
ma'am.
class. Okay, I will just try to solve it now only. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And next here, okay, I don't know that. Okay, just